to the Looker Studio Formula series by Analytics Live. Today is the first video of the 21 video series. So now let's quickly jump onto the video. Today we will be discussing about important functions such as left text and right text. So these functions are very essential for manipulating text data within your visualization. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced Looker Studio user, understanding these functions will help you create more informative and insightful dashboards. So let's quickly understand what is left text and right text. Left text extracts a specific number of characters from the left side of a text string, and right does just the opposite. It extracts characters from the right side. So where is it useful? What is the practical use of it? So suppose you have a full address and you want to just extract the city name of it, which is from the left side. So you can use the left text, or vice versa, you have a full address and the country name or code is from the right side, so you can extract it using the right text. So let's quickly jump on with an example that is out here. We have event name as our dimension and event count as our metrics. So let's create a dimension which will contain the left four characters of the event name. To do that, just click on add a field, add calculated field. Here we will write starting four characters, then use the left text and event name. Then we will give 4, so the left 4 text characters it will give us. Then save it, finish. As the name we saved, starting 4 characters, and there you have it. You can see the starting 4 characters are there. Now if the same I want to do it from the right side, then I have to use the right text. Then we'll click on add calculated field, ending 4 characters. We will use the right text, then we will name the dimension, event name, and it's the ending 4 characters, so 4. Then save it, finish. Now search for the field we created, ending 4 characters. And there you see, scrolls ROLL was the last 4 characters. Same for every event name that is there. So use these and let me know in the comments if it was useful. Thank you.